Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, October 10, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, October 10, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong October 10, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, October 10, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Super Lotto 649 for October 10, 2024, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, October 10, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.